All right, so let's go ahead and quickly set up a demo Forex account. And I'll recommend the site tradingview.com. It's just a pretty, clean, straightforward layout, and I think it's great for getting started in Forex. So just go ahead, hit sign in. You can make a free account. You can use, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, Gmail. As you can see, my login info is already populated, so I'll go ahead, hit sign in. You may or may not have to confirm with your email address. And you can see, there's kind of a lot going on the home page, but, don't get, bothered by that. They have, the major indices, there's stocks on here, commodities, but most importantly, Forex pairs. So I'll go ahead and look up the euro dollar. And then this top one's fine. And I'll go ahead and kind of show you how to kind of get started with a paper trading demo account, as well as I'll kind of just run through a few of the features on here for reference throughout this course. But so on your end, you'll probably see kind of in this bottom bar, you'll see trading panel all the way on the right. If you go ahead and hit that, let me just go back here. So you should see this right here. This, I believe, is a broker that TradingView partners with. If you wanted to make a live account with actual dollars, of course, later on you could go ahead and do that through the site. But for now, let's stick with TradingView paper trading. This is a 100% free Forex demo account. So you should be here by now. And if you go over to the right, you can hit account summary. You'll see you should show an account value of $100,000. I've been kind of messing around with this, so mine I guess is 4 cents below that. But essentially you can kind of go over here also to positions, and also this is a free account, so just kind of click no thank you for that type of stuff. Here is your buy and sell panel. So if you want to go long or buy the euro dollar, just hit buy. It's as simple as that. You can buy 1,000 units, 10,000 units, whatever you want. You can enter in profit takers, stop losses, limits, stop orders. Here you can see the live rate. So of course, for example, this is all paper money. Let's go ahead and hit buy, and you'll see that position show up in your trading panel. So that is a live position. You can see the quantity that you own, the average price, the average purchase price, the last trading price, and then as the pair moves, you'll see your profit and loss. So as of holding this position for the 20 seconds or whatever, I've made 40 cents. Also zooming in, you can see from these little arrows, and this is also something I'll point out, you can change the frequency of the bars. So if I go to 1 minute, each bar represents 1 minute of data, etc. You can go all the way up to, I guess, a month. If you want to get kind of a broader, more historical picture, this goes all the way back to 2010, and I'm sure much further. But let's stick to 5 minutes, and then you can see where you placed your trades. So these little blue arrows are by where you executed a trade. So that was the trade I just did. I bought 10,000 units of the euro dollar pair. And you also see this little thing kind of shows up. You can edit your position. You can add profit takers or stop losses and hit modify to do so. You could reverse the position. That'll take you from long to short. But let's go ahead let's say I'm happy with my $1.59 of profit. I can go ahead and close out of this position. So I'll do that. You'll see that this little red arrow pops up, and it should, so I sold 10,000 units of the euro-dollar pair at that given price. And then you'll see that I no longer have any live positions. There are no active orders. The order was filled right away. And then if I go to my account summary, the gains that I just had are reflected in the overall account balance. So that's kind of, a quick introduction to how to make a trade using this paper trading platform. Same thing if I wanted to sell this pair or go short, you can sell. That also appears in your trading panel. So that's that. What I wanted to point out, you also get these little cool notifications here and there that show up. And so the next thing I wanted to show was you can add indicators, which will be very helpful throughout this course, as there is a pretty robust technical analysis section. So what I recommend is, for the moving averages section later on, kind of, after covering that material, go on this platform, search moving average. You can click moving average. That'll add it to the chart. So there it is. So there's your. I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way if I can. Oh, there we go. So you'll see this is a 9-day moving average. If I want to change the horizon, I can go ahead and make this, let's say a 50-day moving average. So that'll make it a bit slower. So shifting to an hourly bars. There's the moving average. So kind of as I was saying before. After reviewing any one of the technical analysis sections, I highly recommend logging into this platform, plotting whatever the indicator is that we just covered in the course material, and then kind of have fun and mess around and look for trading signals. So you can kind of see here that maybe there's a pattern. These prices seem to be staying above this moving average. Maybe that's some sort of signal. Here these prices shot right through the moving average. So again, see if there's some sort of pattern to kind of be taken away from there. So that's really something I want to emphasize on. Kind of practicing the course material, and we'll also cover relative strength index, so you can also add that. That shows up down there. Again, you just X out of the ads. So all the technical indicators covered in this course, you can easily overlay on TradingView, and also I'll point out you can add trend lines. It's a pretty easy thing to do. There's all sorts of things. Text you can add, boxes, circles, kind of in this left bar. If you want to look at a different currency pair, dollar yen, you can go ahead and do that. You'll get a new chart. The indicators carry over, so we do have our 50-day moving average and the RSI. And that's about it. So hopefully you have your demo account set up and are ready to go, and I'll take it from there.